When you need to transition between tile and a lower surface, the Schluter Reno V profile is a great solution. Not only does the profile protect tile edges, but it also eliminates trip hazards. No matter what height floor you are transitioning to, the profile has a movable transition arm that is adjustable for a perfect match. The profile is available in 2 anodized aluminum finishes. All of these features make Reno V a great choice when transitioning to lower surface coverings. We all know that planning is important with any tile installation. It's even more critical when working with profiles. It's the key to a successful project. In our demonstration, we will be installing tile adjacent to laminate flooring. We have selected the tile and profiles and determined the overall layout. We will be using Reno V to create a smooth transition between the 2 floor coverings. We selected the profile height according to the thickness and format of the tile. We also chose the transition arm length based on the slope we wanted. In addition to tile setting tools, we will need to choose the proper tools to cut the profiles. This will depend on what material the profile is made of. For the Reno V in aluminum, we will be using a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. Aluminum profiles can also be cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Another option is to simply use a hacksaw with a bimetal blade. With the planning complete, let's prepare for installation. The floor is now ready for the tile installation. We have installed the Schluter Ditra XL uncoupling membrane where the tile is going to be set. The laminate flooring has also already been installed. The Reno V profiles are installed at the same time as the tile. This sequence may vary. It depends on your layout and installer preference. First, measure where the Reno V profile will be installed. Then, transfer the measurement to the profile. Keep in mind that we must avoid any overlap of the profile anchoring legs because this will interfere with the tile installation. We make miter cuts to produce a clean transition between the Reno V profiles. Remember to always observe all safety instructions and standards. We cut the Reno V using a miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. For best results, cut the profile slowly. An accurate cut ensures a clean transition. Then, file the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profiles. Now, we can move on to the installation. Using a notched trowel, apply thin set mortar to the area where the Reno V will be installed. Firmly press the anchoring leg of the profile into the thin set mortar and align. The next piece of Reno V is installed the same way. Take care to align the profiles, paying close attention to the area where the profiles meet. You can also use Curti-Fix or a similar adhesive to secure the adjustable arm into place. For heavy-duty applications, fill the back of the adjustable arm with thin-set mortar. Next, we trowel additional thin-set mortar over the anchoring legs. This is necessary to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles into the thin-set mortar so that the tiled surface is flush with the top of the profile. Set the tile up to the integrated joint spacer. This will provide a uniform grout joint. Don't forget to clean any excess setting material immediately from the profile to avoid any damage to the finish. We complete the installation by setting the remaining tiles. As you can see, the Reno V profile is the perfect solution when you need to protect tile edges and have a smooth transition to lower surfaces. Another great innovation from Schluter Systems.